The history of the Toyota Supra began in 1978, when Toyota introduced the first generation of this model. Initially, the Supra was closely related to the Toyota Celica, and was even called the Celica Supra. The car featured a longer body and a more powerful inline-six engine, making it more sporty and dynamic. In the 1980s, the Supra gradually separated from the Celica and became an independent model. The third generation brought a new design, improved aerodynamics, and modern technologies. However, the real breakthrough came in 1993 with the release of the fourth generation, known as the A80. This version is what made the Supra a legend. It was equipped with the iconic 2JZ twin-turbo engine, famous for its reliability and massive tuning potential. The car became popular in motorsports and street racing, and it also gained worldwide fame through movies and tuning culture. After 2002, production of the Supra was discontinued, but interest in the model never faded. Fans around the world continued to restore, modify, and preserve these cars. In 2019, Toyota revived the legend by introducing a new generation of the Supra, developed in collaboration with BMW. The car received modern technology, powerful engines, and an updated design while maintaining its sporty character. Today, the Toyota Supra remains a symbol of speed, reliability, and iconic car culture, inspiring new generations of enthusiasts.